Musta mga kawinwin, tayo po ay maglaro ng Honor of King 55 MOBA dito sa ating channel. Paki-like naman at paki-subscribe sa ating channel, Winwin Suwan TV Gaming Channel, at paki-pindot naman sa ating notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa aking mga bagong upload na mga video games dito na po sa ating channel, dahil marami po kayong matutunan nitong mga strategy sa laban at mga tutorial kung paano maglaro ng mga 55 MOBA at mga mobile games dito lang po sa ating channel. Sana po ay supportan nyo po itong larong Honor of King 55 MOBA dahil maganda po itong laruin sa ating mga mobile phone. Napaka-smooth lang siya laruin at napaka-HD ng graphics. Mga kawinwin, mag-start na lang po tayo sa ating laro mga kawinwin. Kailangan po natin matchmaking makawin-win. Mamili po tayo ng gagamiting hero makawin-win. Gamitin mo natin itong fighter, si Sansi. Makunat to makawin-win na ito ang mga parang si Johnson makawinin, yung kawig ni Johnson, yung touch skin niya. Si Sansi makawinin, fighter to siya makawinin, siya tank. Medyo makunat din to na fighter makawinin, si Johnson. I-lock natin makawinin. Salamat po sa mga bagong subscriber na nag-subscribe sa akin channel. Kahit paano nabigyan nyo po ako ng konting kasiyahan, konting views sa ating mga in-upload na mga videos. Sana po supportan nyo itong maliliit kong tahanan makawin-win, dahil po marami po tayong makikita dito iba't ibang mobile games at mga 55 MOBA na ating lalaroin dito sa ating channel para makakuha po kayo ng mga iba't ibang klaseng strategy sa laban at mga tutorial makawin-win. Yan pinaka-content sa atin makawin-win, ang magbigay tayo ng iba't ibang strategy sa laban makawin-win at mga tutorial paano maglaro ng 55 MOBA at mga mobile games dito sa ating channel. Makawin-win, mag-start na po tayo sa ating laban makawin-win. Dito po tayo sa mid lane. Mid lane tayo makawin-win.
What matters is who you fight for.
Medyo makuna to si ata makawin-win, yung tank na to. Makunat makawin-win. Ayan, basta-basta makawin-win. Makunat si ata dito sa sa iyo.
This world is a maelstrom. You must dive into its heart and conquer it.
Skill not ready.
Do you think yourself some sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will trust you all the same.
tayo biglang dumami.
Her bright light guides my
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
What matters is who you fight for.
Killing spree.
This world is a maelstrom. We must dive into its heart and conquer it. Do you think yourself some sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you all the same.
Overlord and Tyrant shall fall. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Her bright light guides my Dominable wave! What matters is who you fight for. When you cast away the load weighing you down, that's when you'll feel truly free. You think yourself some sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you all the same.
An enemy has been slain.
Her bright light guides
Skill
my
not ready.
This world is a maelstrom. We must dive into its heart and conquer it. What matters is who you fight for. Why the time?
Makunat makawin-win si Sansi.
Do you think yourself some sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you
Ang
all
batong
the
ano?
same.
Tank to. Magulang tong tank to. Nga ba yan? Aba.
An ally has been slain. Your team has destroyed an enemy.
Weighing you down, that's when you'll feel truly free.
Magulang si Ata McWinwin, no? Magulang tong hero na to. Pati sa...
Her right leg guides me.
Enemy missing. Watch out for gangs.
Ano ba yan? Nawala. Makunot yung mids na to ah.
Play it safe.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them. Turret has been destroyed.
This world is amazing. We must dive into its heart and conquer.
Magulang kong tangke na to. Ayan. Sobrang gulang kong tangke to. Ano, makulit ka ha.
What matters
Kala mo,
who
ha?
we fight for.
Kala makaisa ka palagi ha.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ayan, para.
Lord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out.
When you cast away the load weighing you down, that's when you feel truly free.
Skill not ready. Executed.
Her bright light guides me.
An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Unbelievable. Ace.
Do you think yourself some sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you all the same.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
This world is a maelstrom. We must dive into its heart and conquer
Has
it.
destroyed a turret.
Sobrang kunat na tangke na to ah. Matake sa turret ng tangke na to ah. Oh, ayan, mamaya ka dyan. Sila pa nakakuha sa loob.
What matters is who you fight for. guides my life.
Aray ko. Sobrang kunat ng dalawang tank.
Do you think yourself some sort of calamity? Instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you all the same. Rise on time!
Grabe naman.
Play it safe.
Ang galing. Double kill pa yung ano. Ubos.
Just like insects.
So sayang naman.
When you cast away the load weighing you down, that's when you feel truly free.
Sige. Bangga to ah. Aray. Grabe namang kunat ang dalawang tangke. Kunti na lang. Oh, puti na nakaubos yung kasamahan natin. Magaling si Luban number 7, yung marksman.
This world is a maelstrom. We must dive into its heart and conquer it. What matters is who you fight for.
Grabe. Grabe, ang hirap ang kalaban natin. Kakunat ang mga tangke. Grabe.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Ah,
Unbelievable!
Do you think yourself
Appreciate
some
it.
sort of calamity? An instrument of fate? It doesn't matter. I will crush you all the same.
yun, naubos. Yun. Push tayo, push.
Cast away the load weighing you down. That's
Grabe,
when
ang kunat ng makalabang tangke. Push. Yun. Okay. Yun. Sa wakas. Victory rin tayo. Ang hirap ng laban. Pakakunat ng 2 tangke.
Victory!
Salamat po sa panonood mga kawinwin. Thank you po at sana po ay mag-subscribe na po kayo sa aking munting tahanan mga kawinwin. I-subscribe nyo po yung aking channel, Winwin1 TV Gaming Channel. Tayo po ay maglalaro ng iba't ibang mga 5-5 MOBA at mga mobile games dito lang po sa ating channel. Sana po ay suportahan nyo po itong maliliit na channel dahil marami po kayong makikita ditong mga iba't ibang mga mobile games at mga 5-5 MOBA na ating lalaruin dito sa ating channel. Salamat po sa mga bagong subscriber na nag-subscribe sa aking channel. Malaking tulong po ang naiambag nyo sa aking channel. Kahit paano, nabigyan po tayo ng konting views. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kawinwin dahil po ay kahit paano nasuportahan nyo po itong channel. Kahit maliit na po channel natin, pero maganda po yung layunin natin nito mga kawinwin dahil tayo ang pinaka-unique na channel. Laro ng iba't ibang mobile games. Sana po patuloy nyo po suportahan itong munting tahanan ko. Mga kawinwin, salamat po at